Well, I had lots of knee pain, lots of swelling. Anytime I tried to do anything active, knee would swell. I'd limp around for days afterwards, sometimes a week, depending on the activity that I did. Finally, I came to Dr. Crovetti and talked to him about being active again, and we thought about it for a long time and determined that this was the way to go, to have the knee replacement. Once I had the knee replacement, I was in the surgery suites. It was an incredible experience. It was like better than being at home, and the rehab was difficult, but it made me strong again, and then I feel like I can do anything. I can lift weights, I can do squats again, leg extensions, things I hadn't been able to do for years.